That's a newspaper, bud.
Take it.
Put it down over here, please. Okay, so the mission right now, this is a Kia Sportage 2009. The mission is to get 3 car seats to fit in the back row. Let's see if I can, this here. So this one's coming out. This is an extremely old Britax one. Then we have the center where Braden's new car seat's gonna go, the Diono 3R. And then that one is the Evenflo. It's gonna be like a booster seat at some point. That's what Carter, my 5-year-old, sits in. So I'm gonna take this car seat out, clean it, the seats, and then we're gonna try to get all 3 to fit. Okay, so we have a predicament right now. My car, the locks kind of like malfunction sometimes, and I can't get the trunk open. So, and these car seats, if you know, they have that latch in the back as well that goes over the headrest, and I can't get it out because I am 39 weeks pregnant and I can't climb to the back seat right now. So I just have to wait until my car will cooperate and allow me to open the trunk. So we're gonna have to delay this right now. So I am going to go and play with the boys right now while I wait. Yes, baby. Right now they are just playing with their Jeep and bring the trash cans up. Let them play in the Jeep for a little bit. Then they're going to play some hockey. Okay, so I just installed the Diono car seat in the center. I think the camera had turned off, but now I have both car seats.
Who are you talking to?
I'm on the camera.
Ow.
You okay? What happened? Lift your pants up. Let me see your knee. Ooh, you need a kiss?
What is it?
It's just a scrape.
My fingers are caught.
Okay, come around here. Let me give you a kiss. Come on this side. So I just installed it, and it fits perfectly, and now I just have to install the infant's car seat on the other side. And I'll show you guys the look like. So, we have Carter's car seat, the Evenflo. Then we have the Diono that's fitting perfectly in the center. So there's this entire side here for the infant. I'm just hoping that the infant doesn't stretch over. But this one fits perfectly. This is actually a really easy install. I thought it was hard. I couldn't use latch, so we had to use the shoulder belt. And it was easy, quick, Fits very nice. It's extremely heavy car seat, so this is not a car seat you would move from car to car. I don't know if I should have like stressed myself out though by installing this myself. I should have just waited for him to get home because, yeah, it was a lot of work. We'll see if I even get to the infant car seat or if I actually leave that one for him. Because right now I'm tired and we have not eaten lunch yet. So we'll see. Oh look, there they are. Thank you, Carter, for telling me. They've been so good. We've been out here for probably an hour and a half and they've been playing hockey, Jeep, and now they're telling me where they are. So I'm gonna go inside and get the infant car seat and like kind of look and see if the base is gonna latch in, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I just installed the infant car seat base right here. That was extremely easy. I completely forgot how. I think it just gets really, really difficult when you're installing the convertible car seats because you have the latches or the lap belt and then the tether, and this was like a walk in the park. Extremely walk in the park. So I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna get the car seat. Mocha. Oh, my dog just got out, so we're in for a treat now. Okay, Radian, say hi.
Hi.
These boys have just been so good. We haven't even eaten lunch yet. It's like 2 o'clock. They did just eat granola bars. Okay. Let's see if I did it. Okay, so we have the car seat. Car seat's placed on top. It is not latched in yet. And it's in. And just like that, we have 3 car seats in the back seat. We've got a Graco Snugride 35LX. We have the Diono 3R and an Evenflo booster to 5-point harness. And my 5-year-old's telling me that my dog just pooped. I see, buddy. There's another angle. We got the Evenflo, the Diono. It looks crooked, it's not. And then we got the infant car seat. And again, this is a Kia Sportage 2009, the LX. So you can get 3 to fit. I don't know if we didn't have. I definitely think we need the Diono one. Okay.